Hey guys, this is Conrad from the Humber College Student Learning Services Math and Writing Center. Today we are learning how to add and subtract two-digit integers. Before you work with two-digit integers, you should be familiar with how to work with one-digit integers first. First, let's talk about the name of different digits in a number. We have this number, 123.456. The 1 is called the hundredth digit because it's the 100, right? And then the 2 in the 23 is called the 10th digit. The 3 is called the ones digit. Then we have a decimal point. The first decimal place is 4. That digit is called the 10th. Next, we have the 5. The 5 is in the second decimal place, and that digit is called the 100th digit. Lastly, in the third decimal place, we have a 6. It's called the 1000th digit. After learning the names of the digit, we can move on to adding integers. The first example is 12 plus 34. First of all, I will draw this setup. I will put 12 on top and 34 below. Then I would draw a plus sign on the left of 34, and we draw a line beneath everything. I will first work on the ones digit, which is 2 plus 4. What is that equal to? That should be equal to 6. Next, I will work on the 10th digit. What is 1 plus 3 equal to? It should be equal to 4. Hence, 12 plus 34 is equal to 46. Next, let's look at 31 plus 28. We will first draw the setup. 31 on top of 28, a plus sign on the left of 28, and a line beneath it. Are we doing the ones digit first or the 10th digit first? We would do the ones digit first. What is 1 plus 8 equal to? It's equal to 9. Then we move on to 3 plus 2. What is that equal to? It is 5. So the answer for 31 plus 28 is 59. Let's look at the third example, 54 plus 19. Can you pause the video and give it a try first? This should be your setup. And the first thing you should have done was adding 4 and 9 together. That is equal to 13. So we will put a 3 below the 9, and the 1 in red will be treated as a carry for the next digit. So I will put a 1 on the 10th digit. Then in the 10th digit, I would do 1 plus 5 plus 1. That's equal to 7. Therefore, 54 plus 19 is equal to 73. Let's look at another example using the carry. 48 plus 37. Pause the video and give it a try first. This should be your setup. You should be first doing 8 plus 7. That's equals to 15. So we will put a 5 below. And the 1 in red will be treated as the carry for the 10th digit. Then you should be doing 1 plus 4 plus 3 for the 10th digit. Therefore, 48 plus 37 is equal to 85. Let's look at one more example. 56 plus 69. Pause the video and give it a try first. First of all, you should have a 5 below the 9, and there will be a carry for the 10th digit. Next, you would do 1 plus 5 plus 6 for the 10th digit. That's equal to 12. Can you guess what we would do? Right, we will also put a 2 below, and the other 1 will be treated as the carry, but this time for the 100th digit. There's nothing besides the 69, so I will put a 0 here, which means we are doing 1 plus 0. That's equal to 1. Therefore, 56 plus 69 is 125. Here are some extra practice questions. Pause the video and give them a try first. Here are the answers. After learning how to add numbers, we can learn how to subtract numbers. Let's look at the first example, 57 minus 12. We will also draw the same setup with 57 on top and 12 below. This time, we will draw a minus sign on the left of 12. Just like how we do addition, we will also start with the ones digit for subtraction. We will start with 7 minus 2. What is that equal to? That's equal to 5. Next, we will deal with the tens digit. What is 5 minus 1? That's equal to 4. Therefore, 57 minus 12 is equal to 45. Let's look at another example. 63 minus 47. Can you first draw the setup? This should be your setup. We'll first do the ones digit, but notice that 3 is less than 7. We cannot do 3 minus 7. So we will borrow 10 from the tens digit. Now we have 13 instead, and the 6 becomes a 5. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. So we will put a 6 here. Next, in the tens digit, instead of doing 6 minus 4, we will be doing 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. Therefore, 63 minus 47 is 16. This is just like a reverse of a carry. Let's look at another example, 112 minus 39. Can you draw the setup first? This should be your setup. What do we do first? Right, we should be doing 2 minus 9, the ones digit, but because 2 cannot be subtracted by 9, we will borrow 10 from the 1. So the 1 becomes a 0. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3, so I will put a 3 here. Next, we will do a tens digit. 0 minus 3. Is that possible? No, it's not possible, so we will need to borrow another 10 from the hundredths digit this time. So the 1 and the hundredths digit get reduced into another 0. Now we can do 10 minus 3. Now we can deal with the hundredths digit. Because there's nothing besides 39, I will put a 0 there. We are doing 0 minus 0, which is also 0. So I'll put a 0 there. Therefore, 112 minus 39 is 73. We don't say 073, we will just say 73. Let's look at another example, 112 minus 39. Pause the video and give it a try first. This should be your setup. Because 2 is less than 9, we will need to borrow a 10 again from the tens digit. This time, we have to reduce a 0. Because it's not reducible, we have to reduce it along with the 1. So it becomes 10. 10 reduced into 9. And the 1 in the hundredths digit reduced into 0. So now we can deal with 12 minus 9. That's equal to 3. And then in the tens digit, we are dealing with 9 minus 3. That's equal to 6. We can move on to the hundredths digit. We have 0 minus 0, which is equal to 0 as well. Therefore, 102 minus 39 is 63. Let's look at another example, 42 minus 63. What do you notice about this subtraction? Right, 42 is less than 63. What we can do is, we can do 63 minus 42 first. What is that equal to? That should be equal to 21. At the end, we will just need to add a negative sign to the answer. What that means is 42 minus 63 will be negative 21. Let's look at another example, 37 minus 105. Can you pause the video and give it a try first? Because 37 is less than 105, we will first do 105 minus 37. What is that equal to? That will be equal to 68. Therefore, 37 minus 105 is negative 68. Special example, negative 35 plus 56. If you see a negative number in front, but then adding something, we can actually swap them. We can write this as 56 minus 35. And what is that equal to? This is equal to 21. That's the final answer. What about something like negative 35 minus 56? In this case, both numbers are negative. Then what we can do is, we can actually add them together. We can do 35 plus 56 first. What is that equal to? That's equal to 91. And the last step would be adding a negative sign to 91. So the answer is negative 91, since both numbers were originally negative. Here are some extra practice. Pause the video and give them a try first. Here are the answers. Here are some more practices. Pause the video and give them a try first. These are the answers. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this videos, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave us a comment as well. We will see you guys next time. Bye bye.